Hi, does the POCO X7 Pro have dual SIM capability? So let's check together. For that we need to open SIM slot, so I'm gonna take this tool which is called ejector, and it goes in a conflict with the device by the way, but if you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool. You can find it almost everywhere, or instead of this one you can use pin and needle, but be careful so you won't damage the slot. Now take a look at the bottom of your phone. Here you'll find your slot and this little hole in it, so simply take your ejector, place in that hole, then slightly press till this slot pop up like that. And now simply take it out using your nails or ejector. Let me just remove the SIM tray, and now let's take a close look. So as you can see, I already inserted my first SIM card. So we got our first SIM card slot, that's great. Let's flip it and check the other side. So yeah, here you can see the space for the second SIM card and even this marking SIM2. So that confirms that the POCO X7 Pro supports dual SIM functionality, allowing you to use two SIM cards simultaneously. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.